Here is a comprehensive overview of the health benefits of cinnamon, detailing its traditional uses and the science behind its modern-day superfood status. Cinnamon, a fragrant spice made from the inner bark of trees from the Cinnamomum genus, is one of the world's oldest known spices. Its warm, sweet flavor has graced cuisines for millennia, but it was also a treasured medicine in ancient cultures. Modern science has begun to unravel why, identifying powerful bioactive compounds that give cinnamon its remarkable health-promoting properties. The two main types are Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the more common, less expensive variety found in most supermarkets. Here are the key evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. 1. Potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is loaded with highly potent polyphenol antioxidants, such as cinnamaldehyde, which gives cinnamon its distinctive flavor and aroma. In fact, cinnamon has been ranked as one of the spices with the highest antioxidant activity, even outperforming superfoods like garlic and oregano. Fights oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative damage to your cells, which is linked to chronic diseases and aging. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases. The compounds in cinnamon help reduce swelling and fight infections, which can benefit everything from joint health to overall cellular function. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar. This is one of cinnamon's most well-researched and significant benefits, particularly for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Mimics insulin. Cinnamon can act on cells to mimic the effects of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Increases insulin sensitivity. It helps your body's cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing for better glucose uptake from the bloodstream. Slows stomach emptying. It can slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, preventing a sharp spike in blood sugar after a meal. Result: numerous studies have shown that cinnamon can significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve markers of long-term blood sugar control, HbA1c. 3. Supports heart health. By improving several key risk factors, cinnamon can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Lowers bad LDL cholesterol. It has been shown to reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and triglycerides. May raise good HDL cholesterol. Some studies indicate it can maintain or slightly increase levels of beneficial high-density lipoprotein, HDL. Lowers blood pressure. While evidence is mixed, some research suggests a positive effect on reducing blood pressure. Anti-clotting effect. Cinnamaldehyde has blood-thinning properties, which can help improve circulation and prevent unwanted clotting. 4. Neuroprotective effects and brain function. The antioxidants in cinnamon are not just good for the body, they're crucial for the brain. Protects against neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamon has been shown to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. It also helps protect neurons against oxidative stress. May improve cognitive function. Some studies suggest that even the smell of cinnamon can enhance processing speed, virtual recognition memory, and attention. 5. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Cinnamon oil has been used for centuries to prevent food spoilage and fight infections. Fights bacteria. Cinnamaldehyde can fight various strains of bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella, making it a natural food preservative. It's also effective against bacteria that cause bad breath and tooth decay. Combats fungal infections. It has been shown to be effective against Candida, a type of fungus that can cause systemic infections, particularly by preventing it from growing in the digestive tract. 6. May aid in cancer prevention. This research is in its early stages and primarily based on lab and animal studies, but the results are promising. The powerful antioxidants in cinnamon may have protective effects against cancer by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors, inducing cell death, apoptosis, in cancer cells. While it is not a cancer treatment, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant profile suggests it could be a valuable part of a cancer preventive diet. 7. Potential benefits for polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. PCOS is a condition characterized by insulin resistance. Given cinnamon's powerful effect on improving insulin sensitivity, it has been studied as a complementary therapy. Some research indicates it can improve menstrual cyclicity and reduce insulin resistance in women with PCOS. Important considerations and precautions. Coumarin content. This is the most critical safety consideration. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that can be toxic to the liver and cause damage in high doses. Ceylon cinnamon contains very little coumarin. Liver health. For individuals with existing liver conditions or those who consume cassia cinnamon regularly in large amounts, more than 1-2 teaspoons per day, the coumarin content poses a real risk. Blood thinners. Due to its natural blood thinning effect, those on anticoagulant medication, like warfarin, should. Blood thinners. Due to its natural blood thinning effect, those on anticoagulant medication, like warfarin, should be cautious and consult their doctor. Blood sugar. While beneficial, people with diabetes on medication should monitor their blood sugar closely, as cinnamon could potentially cause it to drop too low, hypoglycemia. How to incorporate cinnamon into your diet. Sprinkle on oatmeal or yogurt, an easy and delicious way to start the day. Add to coffee or tea. Stir it into your morning brew for extra flavor and health benefits. Use in baking and cooking. Add to muffins, pancakes, curries, and stews. Blend into smoothies. A dash of cinnamon pairs well with banana, apple, and nut-based smoothies. Choose Ceylon. For daily, therapeutic use, opt for true Ceylon cinnamon to avoid coumarin toxicity. In conclusion, cinnamon is a powerful and delicious spice with profound health benefits, particularly for blood sugar control, heart health, and fighting inflammation. By choosing the right type, preferably Ceylon, and consuming it in reasonable amounts as part of a balanced diet, you can safely harness its ancient medicinal power.